Well, I think Yiddish is, I think Judaism is, I guess I would suggest to people to look and explore and find your own entry, and not to feel that because the experience you've had wasn't meaningful, that that's all there is to Judaism. I think Yiddish is really important because it's 1,000 years of our history. Um, and I just read Samuel Cassell's book, which is just blew me away. Um, and I think his point about collecting the everyday history is just so important. And I had signed up for this interview before I read the book, but after I read the book, I thought, wow, when I was driving here today, I was thinking, wouldn't Emanuel Ringelblum be glad to know that this place is here and that Judaism and Jewish culture has survived.